Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can delete parental controls in Roblox so you can play whatever you want, you can play whenever you want, you can play however you want. It's fairly easy, so don't worry, it'll be super easy, but there are a few tips and tricks, so watch the video fully. First of all, of course, I will just log on to my account. I have saved it on my Google Chrome, so I can just click this and log in. This is to make everything easier. So when I'm here, you will see that it says add phone number here. But if your account is new or you haven't done it before, it will also say add email. You have to add an email address and of course make sure that email is real. They will send you a notification to that email. So you will click yes, I'm real. So it will take your email as verified. If you have an email verified, we can go to the next thing. Settings here. See, it says that my email is verified. This email process is fairly fast, so don't worry, you don't have to do it beforehand. You just have to go and verify your email. As you can see here, right now the parental controls are enabled and there's a lock here. Of course, I can't delete this lock without a PIN. And parent PIN is enabled. So to do anything, I would have to remove the PIN. So that wouldn't work either. So right now, I can't change anything. How can I do it? Or how can I change anything even for a short while? You either have to delete your email from right here. But to do that, we need the PIN also. So what we're going to do is learn the PIN first. If you learn the PIN one time, because that can be something that can be done, we can go here, enter our PIN, and after that, it will give us 5 minutes. That's something parents normally do. Give you a short amount of time to change something, anything, something. For example, let's say that they entered their PIN here for once, and the 5-minute counter started. They would go here, verify your age, add a phone number or anything like it, or change your password, and they would just leave it here. But after they leave it here, even if you change pages, this timer still goes on and your PIN is still entered. I will go now into my parental controls and now I can easily disable my parental PIN, and which is of course sent to an email. So doing this will also help me too, because in this scenario, you would already have the registered email because it would be your email. Or if you don't want to delete the parent PIN because your parents would find out, you can always change your age without doing anything else so you can see more contents. Because this is +7, this is +13, so it's much better. So basically, that's all guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you have much more fun that way. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give a subscribe and like the video. And I hope to see you in the other videos. So have a great day and goodbye.